Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It's time for the last of the storybook adventures that are available at the moment anyway. We've already opened up the first three, which means we have got the best one, save the best one to last. We've got Mulan's storybook adventure now, which is really cool because so far to date, though, there have been actually 3 sets, I think. 3 sets, yes, released this year. But before this year, there was only one Mulan Lego set. So this is the Mulan that came in that existing Lego set. Now she's got her mini-me, a tiny version of Mulan. Look at this. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? These micro dolls, these mini dolls, mini dolls, teeny mini dolls are just adorable. Look at her enormous eyes. So this is her in her princessy mode. So this set actually has her not just in her princess mode, but in her warrior form as well. But I just love these micro dolls because you can make them hold hands, kind of. Okay, so I lied. It's totally unsuccessful if you try to make them hold hands. It just looks like a tiny Mulan. That's so cute. Let's move them over here though, because let's see what Mulan looks like as a tiny warrior. Oh my goodness. So this is the first time Mulan has appeared in warrior form, which is cool. She's got a determined face, but she's got enough eyeliner to know that she's still a girl. And she's got her hair up in a bun to disguise the fact that she's a girl. So she's not really a girl, but she's a girl. She's still a girl. And she also has got a mini Khan, her horse, who is now so small and cute that it's a bit hard to take either Khan or Mulan seriously, but that's kind of the whole point. Now, they're also joined by Li Shang, little red bow tie on here. And let's see, oh my goodness. This is really cute. Where's his head? Does he get a bun as well? No, he doesn't. He gets a pony, like a sticky out the back ponytail. Oh, that's totally derpy. He's so cute. You're all very cute. Yes, you are. Oh, and there's also Cri-Kee. The Cri-Kee. Okay, so Cri-Kee gets a lantern to hang out in. So this is how... Let's put him in there. This is how Mulan can transport him around, except for the fact that these hands don't actually hold onto these things. So we can put Cri-Kee on the back of Khan. However, we are missing one important character. There's no Mushu in this set. How is it that Mushu is still not in Lego form? I'm very disappointed, but that's okay. I'll move on. Let's remove the big Mulan from this whole scenario because she doesn't come in this set. Let's put the book together. So we have got a winter training ground here with all the little swirls on the base plate, and we've got a plain one on there. We need to put the binding on, pink and blue, very nice. So these go together the same way as the other ones. If you've already seen Belle's or the Little Mermaid one or the Frozen 2 ones, they all go together in exactly the same way, but they're a bit different in how they're set up. Obviously they're set up for different stories inside. The outside is just the same. So here we've got the lock part. And I wonder what color lock... Oh, actually, there's gold there. So I'm going to assume this is, a gold lock. So the Frozen set's the only one with a silver lock. Look at that. Okay. All right, so on the front, we get a nice, big, beautiful picture here of Mulan, which is not going on very well. There we go. Oh, nice, beautiful big plate there. On the side, we get a cameo, just like we've had for the other characters as well. She's got a flower in her hair. And on the back, we get this little sticker here, which is designed to put, well, it's something you can put your name on, if I can get it on straight, so you can name it. This book belongs to me. No one else can touch it. Now, I think this lock is bugging me because I've got them somehow put this on the wrong way around. So, because the lock's supposed to be on the back part of the book, but that's because, the winter scene is supposed to be on the right hand. Let me just check the instructions. Yeah, it's supposed to be on the right hand side. There we go. Look, see? Magic. Now I've changed it all around so that we've got it set up the way the instructions say. Okay, over here in the training ground, we get some training equipment, obviously, for Mulan. We got a couple of knives here. So the knives are actually, well, they're going to be swords at Mulan, mini Mulan size, at the micro doll size. They're going on here and they spin around, so you don't want to get in the way there because you might get inadvertently stabbed. Let's put her in the middle where she's a bit safer. Get a little step bit over here on the side. And what sort of training equipment have we got over here? We got, where is that, a No, okay, so they're jumping log things. So you jump from one to the other and practice your balance, and we can put Cri-Kee over there as well. Store him safely out of the way. Okay, so what else have we got? Over here on this side, it's all just blue. Except now we've put a green bit on there, so it's blue and green. And why do we have gold bars there? I don't know. There's a teapot! We've got a teapot and a teacup. Oh, how lovely. I still have no idea what's going on over here, but obviously this is where the very feminine version of Mulan is going to be hanging out, whereas over here we've got the warrior version. Okay, alright, let's start building the middle bits that tie one side into the other and really add to our scene. So these look like we might be building a stone stepway. Is that even words? Are they words? Stone stairway. A stairway. Because you step on stairs. Oh my goodness. This is pretty though. I like the blue and the purple. Blue and purple goes so prettily together. And and pastel yellow as well also goes very prettily together. And on the top we've got very Asian themed pagoda-y top kind of thing, which I'm sure has a real name, but it's something we can iconically recognize as Mulan-esque. Let's go with that. Just kind of sticks with an Asian theme. And okay, so we've got one little pagoda-y kind of thing. This here, we've got upward facing clips there and another rounded over green bit. It's a bridge. It's a teeny tiny bridge. A little stone bridge. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, so this goes on those hooks there, so it can be flipped up when the book's actually shut. At the moment it's kind of a bit off balance, but we'll see how that goes when we actually install it. And this green bit here, we've got some more pink to go in here. Some hay for Khan. Oh, he'll be pleased. Cheer him up for being suddenly so small. And we get to make maybe another archway, it looks like. A matching arch to the other side, except just a little bit shorter. And on the top we've got a hook to put the ceremonial sword up here. And on the other side, on those outward-facing studs, or no, not on the outward-facing studs yet. Yeah, now we get to put the last sticker from this sheet. Oh, here's Mushu. Okay, so maybe is this like the shrine where Mushu is the spirit, the family spirit? Except that's where they also keep the hay. We keep the hay for Khan over here. So it doubles as a shrine and and a shelter for Khan. And we've got a lovely little tree. Oh, that's pretty. It's got some blossoms on it. Now, the descriptions say that this is a plum tree, and I forgot to put the flower in Mulan's hair. So now I think she's complete. All right, we've got our three big pieces of architecture that we're putting in the middle, and this bridge goes right in the middle. Oh, it's a walkway across. All the blue is like a big pond. So she's walking out onto a little green floating islandy thing in the middle of a pond. That's beautiful. We'll just put Khan over here in the family shrine with his straw. Okay, well, we're done now except for putting all the stickers on that are going to really fill out the storybook adventure. So over here we've got some koi that are going to go in the big pond, as well as little islandy things and floating lily pads with some beautiful, beautiful flowers on them. This is just so serene. So she's got one side that's very serene, very ladylike and elegant. I think I quite like to hang it over here. It looks very calm. Oh. And then if you cross the bridge and you go into the other side, it's all warrior training in the cold. So a ladder here for a bit of endurance training, some sleeping bags. We might put them on opposite sides. And maybe we could put this. This is like, so not straight. Now straight. Sacks of flour and rice. So supplies. Campfire maybe. Be nice if they could share the campfire. Let's put the campfire here. Hope nobody steps in it because it's on the ground. And a pan full of dumplings. And this can go over here, an anvil. And I think we'll just move. Yeah, we need to have the right characters on the right side. Okay, we're finished now. Let's put. How are we going to put this? Everybody's falling down. There we go. It closes perfectly now. Everybody is a little bit tumbled around in here though. Though there are spots that they can actually stand see in the middle there, except for Khan. Khan's just going to have to hang out in the pond. No, we might put him over there. There we go. That's a little bit safer for a horse. Okay, all right, so we have finished the last of the Storybook adventures, which makes me very sad, but they have been super duper adorable. Oh my goodness, have you watched all of them? Have you seen all of them? Which ones do you want to own? Which ones do you already own? They're really too cute not to have. Even if it's just for the micro dolls. The teeny mini dolls. Oh, I've loved this. Actually, this is my favorite set out of all of them. I love the serenity of the tea garden. And I really love the fact that we have a mini tiny warrior Mulan. That's just crazy and so cute. All right, now is the time to subscribe if you haven't done it already. Check out some of my other videos. Make sure you check out the other Storybook adventures if you haven't seen them already. They're really so cute. You'll die from the cuteness. And well, don't do that because that would be terrible. But yeah, check them out. They are very adorable. And I will see you with another video very, very soon. Bye.